Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another Christian Dior beauty unboxing. Last video I posted was a bit of a fail. I had some missing packaging that I had requested. So as you can see, this time I actually did get the box. And I mentioned in last week's video that I did reach out to Dior to ask them if they could please send me the gift wrap that was missing from my previous order. And I haven't heard back. I did get an automated email back from them saying that due to like a high volume of emails and calls that it could take them a while for me to hear back. So I'm not really hopeful that I'm going to get that gift wrap for the previous order. Luckily, they were just things for me and I wanted the gift wrap to show you guys what it looks like. But, you know, I know a few of you had the same issue and wanted to hear an update if I heard anything back, and that's just what's going on right now. If I do hear something back, I'll let you guys know. I'm crossing my fingers that I will. But here's the box. It's such a beautiful box. I don't know if you can see that detail there, but there's like, I don't know if they're gods or something, but they're on a horse, and it's just a beautiful gold foil package. So if you did order something with this packaging, I do hope that you get it because it's just gorgeous. So opening up the box to see what it was that I ordered, I always love how they have the tissue paper like this and the Dior sticker holding everything together. There is something in here that I created a short about, so hopefully you saw it, but it did open this already just so that you know. But inside, I got a nice little booklet with all of their holiday gift sets and products in their holiday collection, as well as the prices. There's also a promo code on here. I've shared this on my shorts before, but it's Dior Prestige, and you get miniature Dior Prestige masterpieces as your gift with any $150 Dior beauty order. Okay, so first up are the freebies that I got. This is the first thing that I asked for my free sample. I got this last time, and I like having these little lip things. You can just put them in your purse. They come with a brush, and you can try 4 different Dior Lip Maximizer colors: Pink, Dior 8 Intense, Shimmer Macadamia, and Hollow Lavender. I also got 2 other little freebies in here. The first one is the Capture Total Le Serum. I really like this little serum. It's pricey, so it's always nice to get a little freebie version of it. And then I also got a Dior Prestige La Creme little sample. And the samples always come in these cute drawstring bags, which I think are really cute for like travel or to put like little knickknacks and things like that. And then the other freebie that I got is this little pink makeup pouch. Now I'll put the code for this on the screen. This is something that they give away often, and I've seen it under different names, honestly, but this is what the pouch looks like. And then inside, it's just a like I want to say maybe like a rubber lining. It's a wipeable lining too, so it's very useful, and of course it's free. Has a nice little silver zipper. Now this is the freebie that I was most excited about, and I was really worried that they were going to run out of this one because I really wanted it, and I ordered it towards like the tail end of the promotion. This is the freebie that they gave out last week. It's a notebook, and they were giving it away last week with all orders of $150. So I think I placed my order on like a Thursday or a Friday, and I wasn't sure if I was actually going to get it, but I did, and I'm super happy about it because I just love these little notebooks. I've never bought like the notebooks from the home section. They're quite expensive, and so I've always had my eye out for these free ones. And the edges of the notebook are gilt and gold, so they have that beautiful gold shininess to them that just makes the notebook look so elegant. The pages inside are blank, and they have Dior there at the bottom. And then this is the back of the notebook. It's a nice sized little notebook. I'm planning on using this for like my 2024 goals and intentions. I always like to get a notebook every year and fill those out. And I'm going to try to do that every morning in 2024, or as many mornings as I can. Now coming to the products that I actually bought, the first one is the Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette. I was thinking about getting this palette during the Sephora VIB sale and getting the discount, but then I just decided to hold this off until the holidays so that I could put this towards getting some of these freebies. These freebies are always on like orders of $150 or more. This retails for like $48, and it's just such a great palette. It comes with 2 different blushes. This is the pink blush, this is bronze. Then it comes with 2 different highlighters, a white strobe and then a gold strobe. I love this palette. It's so versatile, and they do have 2 different color stories. I also ordered a Forever Natural bronze in shade 2. I've been wanting to try this bronzer as well, and I don't really have a lot of bronzers in my collection. Right now, I only have the bronzer in the Jellyfish Hourglass palette, and I wanted something maybe a little bit lighter. I don't like to wear a ton of bronze. I have light skin, and sometimes I feel like bronze could be a little too harsh on me, so I went with something lighter. And I also love to use bronzer as like an eyeshadow. And here's the swatch of the bronzer. It's just a nice little subtle glow, exactly what I was looking for. And then lastly, I got two Dior Addict Lip Maximizer lip glosses. I love this lip gloss. It's one of my favorites. This one and Pat McGrath are usually my go-to lip glosses. But the Dior Lip Maximizer shade that I have at the moment is more of a translucent shade. I have it in the Rosewood, so I like to put it over like lipstick and things like that. And I thought this time I wanted something with more pigment. So I went for two of their intense colors. I went for Intense Rosewood 009 and 018 Intense Spice. Now let's open them up and I'll swatch them for you because I think these are really versatile shades from this line. And I wanted the more intense version of the Rosewood, which is one of my favorite shades. So this here is Intense Rosewood. And then here is the Intense Spice. Now this one I wanted because I wanted something a little bit warmer, something that looks nice for fall and winter. And I think this is the perfect shade for me. So let's just get it open. And here is the Intense Spice. I don't know if they're pulling a little similar on camera. This is definitely pinker and this one has like a more reddish orangey spicy tone to it. Perfect for fall. I'm really glad that I ended up going with these two colors. Now they changed this packaging a while ago. I do have the older packaging here and this is my Rosewood shade. So I like how it has like the Dior on the side. This one had the label on top. But I wanted to bring out my old Rosewood and this one so that I could swatch them both for you in case you do have the older version of the Rosewood. You can see the difference. And here are the swatches. This is shade 12. This is the more clear translucent version of the color. It is a lighter pink as you can tell, and then here is the Intense Rosewood. On the lips this gives a lot more color payoff, at least for me, and then this one is closer to my natural lip color. Now that's everything that I purchased this time around from Dior Beauty. I would like to say that it went out without a hitch, but I am missing some of my freebies. I did get two fragrance freebies, one with a promo code and then one as a complimentary mini. Whenever you do order from Dior Beauty, you usually do get to pick a few samples, a mini, depending on what you're ordering, and I'm missing those unfortunately. It is while supplies last and it is the holidays, so I'm not surprised that things may have run out. I'll leave in the description box any of the promo codes that I showed you today, as well as any others that I might know. There's also a few other giveaways. So right now the notebook is not the giveaway, and that I believe is on orders of $175 or more. There are other gifts as well. So again, go down to the description box. I'll share all those codes, all the links for everything that I purchased today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.